Hi, I'm Jennifer, and I'm so happy you're here because I have a very special recipe today. My good YouTube friend, Krissy from Sun Kissed Krissy, I'll have her channel linked below. She sent me a wonderful recipe, and it is for some delicious hamburger bowls. So I put these together, and I'm going to show you just how I made them and just how they turned out. They're super delicious. I'll show you the video right now coming up. Let's get busy putting this hamburger bowl together. First, I'm going to put on some salt and pepper. Now I have this bottle and I've wrapped plastic around it and taped it so that it doesn't come off. I'm going to set it right in the middle of this flattened hamburger, and I'm going to start putting it right up around the sides. We're just going to make a bowl out of this hamburger. I have a nice little bowl shape, and I'm just going to carefully twist this bottle and lift it right out of the bowl. Then I'm going to pour in an egg. You can put anything in this you want. This is how the recipe was that Sun Kissed Krissy sent me. And then I'm going to put in some onion, and I have some cheese here. You can put cheese slices or anything you like, chunks of cheese. I have some Velveeta cheese here that I have mixed with some Rotel. And I'm just going to take this and scoop it right into the middle of my hamburger bowl, just like that. Okay, now let's see what else we can add. I'm going to add some more salt and pepper, and then I'm going to put this in the air fryer. It's right in the basket. I'll get on to making the next one. My husband likes his egg scrambled, so I scrambled the egg in this one. And now I'm going to put in the onion. I'll put in the Velveeta cheese with the Rotel mixed in. I had this on hand from a dip that I made just yesterday. I have some Colby Jack cheese slices, and I'm just going to lay these right on top. I want to cover that egg and make sure that it doesn't burn. Now it's time to get the other hamburger bowl into the air fryer. And here they are. The hamburger bowls are going into the air fryer at 350 for 15 minutes. Let's see how the hamburger bowls turned out. Here they are. Oh my goodness, look at that. They look amazing and they smell so good. I'm going to check the hamburger bowls and make sure they're done. Yep, they need to be at 145. They're definitely done. I have placed some lettuce greens on the plates, and I'll put the hamburger bowls right on top the beautiful lettuce. And here are the hamburger bowls. They look absolutely amazing. And now I'm going to put on a few more things. A few more onions. I'm going to put on some pickles. I'm going to add some bacon. And then I'm going to drizzle on my special homemade sauce. You could pour mustard right over the top, but I have something extra special. And I'll have the recipe for this in just a minute, so that you can make this sauce. It'll also be listed below. You can also make this wonderful sauce yourselves. And there we have it. The hamburger bowls are all done. Can't wait to give them a try. Let's take a look and see what this looks like inside with the egg. It's really cheesy from all that wonderful Velveeta cheese. You can use any kind of cheese you want. We could just put mustard on top of our hamburger bowls, but I'm going to whip up an extra special sauce to put on top. I have a 1/3 cup of mayonnaise, and I'm going to add a tablespoon of yellow mustard mixed with 2 tablespoons of honey Dijon. You could use regular Dijon mustard if you'd like. I also have barbecue sauce here. You can use any kind of barbecue sauce you would like. I'll have the full recipe below. This is 1.5 tablespoons of barbecue sauce. I'm going to add a teaspoon of lemon juice. I'm going to add in 2 tablespoons of honey and a sprinkle of paprika. Add as much or little as you'd like. Now I'm just going to get this all mixed up. I'm just going to take my whisk and whisk this up real quick. This will be a wonderful sauce. As you can see, it just took a second to put together. It'll be perfect on our hamburgers. Krissy is so awesome. I really enjoy her channel. I love watching it so much. She has a wonderful channel and she has all sorts of things Disney. And she has collections that she shares with pins and all sorts of different things. She's full of energy and she's absolutely delightful. I'll have her channel link so you can check it out and see all of her wonderful videos.